Coming up with new product ideas or brainstorming digital product ideas used to be so overwhelming. I've been doing this since 2010, but it's not anymore. It hasn't been for quite a while using AI and large language models. And I'm going to show you how I'm using this new tool, this Poppy AI. I absolutely love this. You can get a copy of this for yourself. Click the link in the bio. You can get 25 bucks off if you want to use Ninja. I love this product. Now, this is the second video in the series on how to make money online using AI. The first part was how do you define your target audience? This video is about how do you brainstorm products against that target audience. So this, just to recap real quick, this is what I did in the first video where I brain dumped my passions, my interests, the problems I like to solve, my resume, my LinkedIn profile, my homepage, goals, all that stuff. And we fed it into this chat box, which can be Claude or it can be ChatGPT. I picked Claude because I like it. And if you look at the amazing results, it came up with this at the end here. Let me find it. There it is. The AI-powered executive intelligence. That's the sub-niche that I'm creating for AI Ninja, revolutionizing business leadership. And again, I copied all this. I had it do a synopsis of this niche. This is my unique niche that I fell in love with based on this brainstorming. I took all of that information that you see, I copied it, and I moved that into this Word document right here externally because I'm going to give it context in my new chat here. So I took all of this, put it in the external document, and now we're going to start a new chat in Poppy. We'll just stay on the same whiteboard. We'll just go find some clean space. And I'm going to go over the toolbar over here. I'm going to say new chat. I'm going to move it over here, and then I'm going to attach the document that I just showed you, which was that Word document. It's bringing it in. It's done. I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to attach that node right here. Now, what are we going to do? Well, we need to feed it a prompt. Now, you know me, AI Ninja. I've got mega prompts to show you how to brainstorm digital product, but I'm trying to show you how easy this is. If you don't like to prompt, you think, how do I come up with this mega prompt? Do I need to buy a prompt library? No, you don't need to be a prompt engineer. You should start talking to it. And here we go. Hey, I want you to act as an expert digital marketer and help me come up with a comprehensive list of 35 digital products of this new sub niche that I just created for you on this Ninja. And I want you to come up with products that specifically address the common problems, the pain points to this attached niche that are experienced by this audience. Now, it's important that these digital products solve their challenges and save them valuable time. Here are the guidelines. First, give me 35 distinct digital products that align with the needs of this target audience that I attached with you. Each product should address a specific problem or pain point that's commonly faced by the individuals in this niche. I want you to clearly explain how each digital product directly solves the identified problem or eases their pain point. I want you to tell me what is the time-saving benefit that each product offers the customer. I want you to use clear, simple language when describing the products. I want you to maintain a balance of creativity, innovation, and practicality and usefulness. I want to make sure that the product ideas are ones that can be created organically on a limited budget using the power of large language models and stuff like Canva. And then here's how I want the output. I want you to provide a name, a brief description for each of the 35 digital products. Make sure that each product description conveys the pain point, the time-saving benefits, the purpose, the value, and the relevance to the target audience. And please put it in a markdown format. So I stopped that. It's doing the record, it's generating the transcript. While it's generating the transcript, I'm going to go ahead and attach that node to the chat. Now you can see I'll have some ellipses up here. I'm going to copy the transcript. And what does that do for me? Well, that's my prompt. You see how I'm not even typing a prompt? I don't even know how to prompt. I'm just talking to it like a human being. I'm going to paste it and I'm going to say, what is the output? And look at this list, guys. I've got 35 potential digital products against this niche. Here's a key list of products: decision maker AI dashboard, solves the problem, it gives me everything, the time-saving benefits, all of that. And let's say we find one product that we typically like. We want variations of it. We can continue with it. Say we want the executive time optimizer. I like that one. Hey, I like number 4, the executive time optimizer. Can you give me some variations of this product? Brainstorm multiple versions. Give me an entry level, a mid-level, and a high-end product. Give me insights on potential competitors. Give me market trends. Give me customer preferences. Do some market research if you can, and give me a well-executed marketing campaign for this type of product. What would you do to make it successful? Ensure the product has a unique selling proposition, a value proposition, how it differentiates from competitors. Keep in mind, I got a limited budget. I'm trying to create this using large language models and things like Canva, Midjourney, and stuff like that. What are your thoughts? Again, we'll take this and we'll attach the node. And then I'll take this and get the copy of the transcript, and I'm going to go in here and enter that last conversation as my prompt and get variations for product number 4. And look how good that is, guys. Product variations, entry level, mid level for this one product, the market insights, the market trends, the marketing campaign, even came up with a name with it. Again, all of this is a brainstorming tool. It's unlocking these channels in my brain. I'm getting all this. Look at all this. This is amazing, guys, and this is for one product. And we did this all in just a matter of minutes. And again, using this wonderful tool, Poppy AI, guys, you can use this tool. I love this product. I can't recommend it high enough. If you're neurodivergent like myself, the amount of stuff that you can do now without having to type prompts, you don't have to have prompt libraries. You don't even have to have knowledge of how to prompt, just talking to it like a human being. This is the type of stuff we do in AI Ninja. This is all about, AI Ninja is all about allowing you to become an entrepreneur, learn how to make money online, use these tools. The democratization of these tools allows all of us to become entrepreneurs and gain time and economic freedom. That's what we're all about. Go click the link in the bio if you want to use this tool. You can also check out my homepage at AI Ninja for all the resources that we have, including the Kickstart course, the Market Mover, and also the Ultimate Package, and also my high-level mastermind, which I'm kicking off on October 1st. All of that's there. And go get Poppy, guys. This is an amazing time to be alive. Let me know what you think.